Hi everybody, this is Sebastian with Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we are taking a look at the Jayco Jay Feather 26 RL. Now this is one of my favorite floor plans for a lot of reasons, and we'll get into it. But to start here, on the outside at the front, you're going to notice your automatic tongue jack. We give you propane tanks, and when you buy a camper with us, we give you a battery. It seems like a small thing, but in the grand scheme of things, it's a great deal. You're going to notice here in the pass-through storage that we do have a light switch, and outlets. So this way, when you're looking at your stuff that you have in here, whether it is nighttime or it's storming out and you need to put stuff away or grab stuff, quite honestly, you have the ability to do so comfortably without trying to finagle with your phone, get the flashlight on. No reason to do that. Alright, located underneath your automatic awning is your speakers, your furnace, your water heater, your TV mount, and your outlet and your cable TV antenna output. Now it's all located underneath your automatic awning, which is incredibly convenient and nice, because there's a lot of times where we see ones that come in that just don't. Maybe not new ones, but older ones. So if that's something you're missing, having the automatic awning and your TV mount and everything you need access to in a moment's notice, you can do so with this one, the 26RL. Here, located in the pass-through storage, is an outside griddle, which is really nice. You're able to hook it all up, cook, relax, hang out with the family. We're going to go to the back. We're going to notice our spare tire and the ladder. Now, the reason that I point out the spare tire is all of our tires here with Jayco are Goodyear tires, which has an 87 mile per hour speed test rating. So no matter if you're looking at an SLX 7 or, as far as the 22 models go, all the way up to a North Point, you're going to be looking at a Goodyear Endurance tire. Now here's the outside shower and your 30 amp, okay, city water connection with your manual stabilizer jacks, your nice vacuum sealed fiberglass. You have your black and gray holding tank located under there. Here's the back side of your pass-through storage. Like I said, manual stabilizer jacks, automatic tongue jack. Okay? So as you see, it's got a great appearance from the outside. It's going to look phenomenal sitting behind your vehicle going down the road and when you guys are parked. So as we head up and into the camper, one of the first things you're going to notice is the floor plan. It's a great floor plan. Okay? You got your dinette, got your recliner. Right next to the recliners on both sides, we have storage. Now, one of the things that we hear at Gog's a lot, especially when people come in with their old campers, is, hey, Sebastian, I just don't have a whole lot of storage in my current camper. That's one of the things we really want. No problem. Check this out. Plenty of storage. And they also talk about outlets. Okay? Not only do you have normal outlets, we give you USB as well. So that way, if you don't have your brick with you, or... well, I mean, heck, you forget things, right? You're able to still charge. That's on both sides. Massive windows. Absolutely massive. Lots of natural light going to be coming into your camper. Okay. Got your dinette with storage underneath. Now take a look here. Here's your 12-volt fridge and freezer. You're going to notice so much more space than if you had a gas electric prior. Just tons more room. One thing that we hear a lot too is that they don't have a lot of space in the kitchen to store stuff. So we gave massive amounts of pantry with these pull-out drawers as well. Check that out. And that's for all the way through. And look how deep this is for your pantry. Insane deep, okay? Incredibly nice. You got your overhead storage, your drawers. Now check this out. You're thinking about pots, pans, livability. Bam. You don't got to put it in your pantry. You got plenty of space for your pots and your pans. It's not a small drawer. It is a very deep drawer. Okay. I wear a size 13 shoe, so I have a decent sized hand. Look how deep this is. My hand don't make a dent in this. Check this out. Up to my elbow. That's how deep this is. Okay. You got your stove, your microwave, and then you got your living area, your TV, which is slanted at a nice little angle. So this way, if you're watching TV, here in the living area. You're comfortable, you're able to see everything. You have your storage underneath there and there. You got storage right there and right here. I know it's a little hard to see because it's all black and dark woods, but you have your radio setup. So this way you can turn on the tunes, turn on the radio, kick on some Rock 95, listen to some shows on there, outside, or whatever you guys like listening to. Maybe you're a podcast person like myself. Okay? An amazing bathroom with a towel hook, just ample amount of storage. So no matter what you guys have at home, you're pretty much able to bring it in your camper. You're not having to make sacrifices, sitting there hemming and hawing at what you might not have to bring, or might not be able to bring. And you also got storage underneath there and there. A great size shower, which is going to pass the elbow test with ease. Yes, we are inside the shower. We have a head thing above us. I am 6'1". I'm in here very comfortably. You are at my head level right now, face level, at 6'1". Okay. You have your medicine cabinet. And then I'm going to do what probably nobody else is going to do inside of your camper, is show you of me sitting on the toilet, your guest. I'm on the toilet. Look at this. I've got plenty of room for the door to close. It's a pocket door. You can even swing open here. So let's say you got spare toilet paper in there or spare toilet paper in there. You're able to access it. And check out this extra storage that Jayco gives you in this camper on the side of this vanity. Very well done by Jayco. Very well executed. And I love the light colors inside the bathroom. Okay, we're going to head back towards the bedroom. Close the door here. And one thing you're going to notice is the solar panel. It is hooked up. It's ready to go. And then you got your hers and hers closet. So you got closet on that side, closet on that side. A lot of these campers, you're going to get a rack right here with no doors. This one has doors and tinted windows. So if you have things that you don't want people to see, if you catch my drift, you're able to put it in there and they're not able to see it. Okay, by your heads, you have access to additional storage. So this way you're able to put your phones, your tablets, whatever you need there while you sleep. Speaking of phones and tablets, you have another USB setup and direct plug-in. Okay, I said that's the hers and hers closet, and 100% is. Here's the his closet. A little bit on the smaller side comparatively, but it's a nice additional storage. Okay, so you got small drawer. Check this out. You ready? Deep drawer and deep drawer. Okay, incredibly nice to have. On top of that, you do have your own private door to the bedroom here. So if you have someone hanging out in the living room area, you don't want to wake them up. You don't have to. Okay, I'm going to lay in your bed too. So you're able to see the TV very comfortably from your bed. You got your pocket door there. If you guys have any questions at all, my name is Sebastian at Gog's Camperway. Our phone number, 507-345-5858. I hope you guys have a phenomenal day.